Hello people, and please don't mind me for looking and dressing like a peasant because I just realized everyone is beautiful in a unique way. My camera is shaking. Well, just joking, because the weather is too hot to put on any makeup on your face. It will just melt straight away, so why bother? Hi, welcome to another episode of My Laziness, aka HOU2 Cantonese. Yeah, laziness meaning I'm not going to edit this one either. So yeah, good. Speaking of good, that's actually what we are going to talk about today. Nice segue. So yeah, the characters we're going to introduce or teach is good. In Cantonese, HOU. Yeah, it is a fairly easy one, so please don't click away. Okay, let me just look at. Okay. Well, actually, other than good, there are also at least two other meanings of this character. So yeah, today is actually three meanings of this character pronounced HOU. The first one also is the most commonly used one is, okay, just let me tear this one, okay, and then maybe put it here. HOU. So the first meaning is yes. From all the yes no questions. Also in Cantonese is HOU, HOU. If you're interested, you can go look for the related HOU2 Cantonese episode. I forgot which number that is, so yeah, good job. And in this sentence you can see someone asked, "Go home, HOU, would you like some ice cream?" Of course the answer will be yes, HOU. Or if you're weird and stuff, you might answer HOU, which means no. So that's that. Yeah. Okay, now here. Yeah, so this time I have decided not to throw them all over the place because I hate cleaning up. Even though it's like literally 4 papers, so now you understand why that is called my laziness, because I am really lazy, as if you can't tell by my very consistent upload schedule. And how many times have I apologized for that by now? Anyway, speaking of the second meaning is, well, not the most commonly, but the most well-known one. Good. And yeah, focus. And for example, we can say 有500訂閱真係好啦. It is very nice to have 500 subscribers. Yeah, which is the milestone that we just met. But yeah, honestly, thank you so much for subscribing, jumping into the rabbit hole that you might or may not find updates regularly. I don't know I don't know the direction that I'm heading for, but yeah, thank you. Because I have been not necessarily abandoned, but yeah, I have been putting this channel aside just because something called life is happening. Blah blah blah, something you guys have already listened for way too many times, so I'm not gonna repeat that. But you know, seriously, I don't know why people are still subscribing, because again, I'm not a funny person. I'm just trying to share my language. Yeah, so hope you are not going to regret now and click away and stuff. Please stay, please. So yeah, thank you. Whoop, whoop. Nice face. So the last but not least, seriously, is there any, like, are there any different kinds of expressions other than last but not least, just to say something is like at the end of a cue or something like that, because that's so cliched. I hate myself. So the third meaning, focus. The third meaning of the character HOU is fairy. Well, not the flying one, but you know, a degree. Fairy indeed, something like that, and so on and so forth. And well, in English is, I guess, is somewhat similar, but in Cantonese people abuse this meaning. So pretty much in like 90% of the adjective phrases, like beautiful, ugly, stupid, white, not white is a noun, what else, smart. So people say very pretty, 好靚, but actually they might not mean like 10 out of 10 very pretty. Maybe it's just like 5, but they're being polite and being Asian, so they do that. Yeah. So if you come across people saying whole plus an adjective all the time, please don't think they're exaggerating, because they're not. This is just how we speak. So yeah, well, unless they're saying it in a very exaggerated tone. So yeah, maybe not brief and that kind of person, because they're fake. Yep. Life advice from Sissy. Yeah, so make it into sentence. It will be something like this. 有500個人訂閱我好感動. I feel so touched for having 500 subscribers. Not in a sarcastic way. Please don't think like that. I mean it. Because, like, again, why would people subscribe to me? I'm still kind of confused, but in a good way. Thankful way. Okay. So here are 3 meanings of the character whole, and let me just put this here. The first one is yes. The second one is something you can't see, which is good. What the sentence is kind of weird if you say it like that. And the third one is very, like very good. Ho ho. Yes. Ho ho ho. Yes, very good. And I guess that is a wrap for the Cantonese proportion. So now let's talk about something serious, like random rambling style thing. Yeah. So recently, like 2 days ago, we just reached 500 subscribers. Yay! And yeah, I have been rambling since like what 5 minutes ago, but the tradition kinda on this channel is I would draw a picture to sort of like celebrate it and make it into a video, and that is happening despite I didn't do that on the 400 milestone. That is not a noun. And I teach English. Despite plus now means because. Yeah. Despite my laziness, I'm still going to draw the 500 subscriber celebration picture now. Like he's the freaking sketch. Yeah, this. But as you can see, I still haven't figured out how to draw the damn hands. What even is this? I don't know. So I might have to sell my soul to the devil to gain the ability to draw hands. Wait, I don't have a soul. Sense of humor. Anyway, so yeah, look forward to the drawing video soon-ish. And I guess that is a wrap for the whole video. Thank you so much for watching, and not click away because the camera is shaking. Please don't. And ask any questions or say anything. Yeah, really. In the comments down below, like what would you want to know, what kind of Cantonese questions and blah 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 and suggestions and stuff like that. And subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of content, and give it a thumbs up for this video if you think it is a very good video. Yay! So, Jesus. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! It's so far away. Bye. Oops. Can you believe it's already summer now here in April? Me neither. Bye.